Oh, we're going to see action and traction. We're going to light them up now as we get ready for the go. This will be not part of the competition. This is not official, has no bearing on the results, and has nothing to do with it. This is true rage in the cage time. East Coast person.
We're going to have to go. We really like the people that put down last year.
Good on you, mate. That's the way how it is. Put your hands together for Brett Waine. They're getting ready for the go here on the side. Not knowing the result, we don't know what way it's going to go. Could they go higher or could they go lower? Aha, that could be the one to see. This is a true rage in the cage. Coast of Australia, Brett Waine reigns in the cage, 1,004 on the West Coast as well. Hey mate, what about this now?
That's fucking unbelievable.
We're still going to run and we're still going to show from the West, eh?
I can't draw myself now, I'm here, I better go again.
Good on you mate. Put your hands together for Eddie. He's really putting it all together. Aren't you glad you came back in?